There's another train in the station. I'm not sure what he's for, though. Okay, so that should be coming down this way in about 2 minutes. And just another fucking Arterio. 701057. I shouldn't do this. I'm gonna leave my arm on the barrier slightly. Not that I'm supposed to, because I've got to move literally before it goes up, because otherwise I'll be going up with it. Train approaching. 701057 to London Waterloo. This one is going towards Wimbledon. Seven 701057 to London Waterloo via Wimbledon. Welcome to the Richmond branch. Right, welcome to Barnes Level Crossing, the Richmond branch, or the Richmond line. Time is now 10:52, and this is for the 10:56 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to London Waterloo, and no surprise, it's another fucking Arterio. So Feb, I've technically got 2 or 3 trains here already, but the first video doesn't really count as such because it's more just trains and not an actual closure. This is the first proper closure on this video anyway. I'm guessing we're also going to stay down for the 1102, the double passer at that point on this side. Well, yeah, a little bit, I guess. The thing is, Fabe, when you're doing the Hounslow branch, you can't exactly see the station from the level crossing. When you're doing the Richmond lot, when you're doing the Richmond one, you can easily see it. There's a South Western Railway. There's an SWR Juniper going through. So 458. That's not bad, actually, is it? Fabe. That's not bad, is it? SWR Juniper, one of my favourites. I've always liked 458s for some reason. Train approaching. 450034. $701,034 to London Waterloo. Is that it for this closure? Yes, it is. Time is 10:58. This is for the 11:01 freight service from Tonbridge West Yard to Eastleigh Works. I don't know why I said that so flipping weirdly. Oh my god, the sun's just come out now. I'm guessing it's coming from station side. Okay. What about the Windsor? Is that also, are we staying down for him as well? Hounslow's just going down? I don't know what Hounslow's going down for. $73,109 to Eastleigh. We are also staying down for the 11:02 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Reading, and we are also staying down for the 11:02 South Western Railway service from Windsor and Eton Riverside to London Waterloo. And they are both, actually one of them is an Arterio and one of them is a Juniper. I believe the Hounslow loop is down for the 11:05 South Western Railway service from Weybridge to London Waterloo. 45402. $454.02 to London Waterloo, and there should also be a Reading bound coming up.
So when I see you next, that's going to be long.
Where is this Reading bound? Is it just passing? Yeah, he's due to pass in a minute. Where's that come from? I just heard a tone, I don't know what side. I think it was Hounslow's side. What's that? What's passing on that side then? Here's the Arterio, 701011. To Reading, I'm gonna actually go slightly back. So. There we go. And that is the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next video at White Hart Lane.